As an SI leader, your role is to facilitate learning, not to teach or to reteach class content. SI sessions provide an opportunity for students to get more practice with the course material and to review points of confusion. To do this, SI leaders incorporate the 3 elements of SI into their lesson plans every week. Wait time is the time that elapses between an SI leader-initiated question and the next behavior, either a student response or the SI leader talking again. There are 2 types of wait time. Wait time 1, which is in the example that you just watched, is the time that the leader waits after asking a question. Wait time 2 is seen here, and it's the time that the leader waits after a response is provided, regardless of the accuracy of the response. So why do we use wait time? As you can see from this chart, the benefits for students include that more students answer and provide more accurate answers when they talk, and that students listen to each other more. For SI leaders, they spend less time during the sessions asking questions, and it's easier to make connections between their questions and the concepts. If the silence doesn't work or it feels awkward, you can try repeating or rephrasing the question, simplifying the question, and or breaking down the question into smaller parts. When a student asks questions, the natural inclination is to answer it. Instead, SI leaders redirect the question to a resource or to another student. In this slide, you can see that our SI leader chooses to redirect the question that the student asks instead of immediately responding with the correct answer. If a student says, "I don't understand this question," the leader can say, "Which part of this question is confusing?" If a student asks, "How do we find X?" the leader can ask, "Can anyone help? How do we find X? What's the first step?" The last element, and probably the most important one, is checking for understanding. SI leaders consistently check for understanding to make sure students understand and feel confident in the material. Instead of just asking superficial questions, like "Do you understand?" SI leaders use various techniques to have students explain content and confirm that they truly do understand. Some quick and easy ways to check for understanding include asking a student to explain what was just discussed in their own words. If they get stuck or have issues, you can have other students help them. You could ask for volunteers to outline the main points on a poster or the whiteboard, or you could ask for students to supply a real-life example of the concept we were talking about. Don't forget to use your resources. Check out the SI Leader Training Manual and the strategy cards for more ideas on how to check for understanding, redirect questions, and implement wait time. The 3 elements of SI are a major part of your toolkit to becoming a superhero SI leader, so remember to use them whenever you get a chance.